How to create an account on KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to start crypto trading and don't know where to begin on KuCoin, here's how you can do it. First of all, open the KuCoin application on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your App Store or your Play Store right now and download the app first and launch it open. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this homepage of KuCoin where you need to click on the sign up or login button in black on the bottom center. On the next page, enter a valid email address or phone number you want to sign up with. Once you type in your credential, go ahead and check this little circle at the bottom if it hasn't been checked yet and click on Create Account. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via your provided email inbox. Go ahead and check your inbox and you'll receive a code from KuCoin. Enter the code exactly as it appears in the text box and click on, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you need to set up a password for your account. Finally, click confirm after setting up a password and you have completed your sign up process. The next step you want to complete is to verify your account. Click the Verify Now button at the bottom of the screen and select your issuing country. Select your region from the drop-down or your country from the drop-down, and you need to go ahead and provide your photo ID and your facial recognition. Click the Verify button at the bottom and follow through the on-screen instructions. Now, select your identity document type that you can provide to verify your identity. You can choose passport, ID card, or driver's license. Choose any one option and click Continue. Now take a photo of your password on the next page. Make sure that you do it according to the info displayed on the screen. Allow camera access for KuCoin on your smartphone and then click on Continue. Now this will take you to the camera section where you need to go ahead and take a photo of your selected government issued ID. Take a photo and then take a quick selfie of yours by following through the on-screen prompts. And right after you complete your verification, you'll be able to get full access of KuCoin. And there you have successfully completed the sign up. Once you've created an account and verified your account, you can start buying crypto, spot trading, futures trading, staking rewards, and so much more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.